To control your garage door or other Homelink device, locate the Homelink buttons on the bottom edge of your rearview mirror. Press the leftmost button and a Homelink configuration will pop up on the MMI screen. Select Yes, then choose which button you would like to configure and begin to follow the on-screen prompts from there. Hold your garage door transmitter near the Homelink button you'd like to program. Press the transmitter button for several seconds until the MMI screen changes. As long as the vehicle is parked near the garage opener, select Synchronize Now. Press and hold the Homelink button for 2 seconds. Repeat this, and your garage door should open within 3 attempts. If it does, you are finished and can confirm the on-screen prompt. If it doesn't, follow the on-screen instruction to proceed to an additional step. To complete programming, find the Learn or Smart button on your garage door unit, typically near the antenna. Firmly press and release this button. You'll have 30 seconds to complete the next step. In your vehicle, press the Homelink button for 2 seconds and release. You may need to repeat this press and hold action up to 3 times, depending on your device's brand. Your Audi integrated Homelink system and your garage door unit are now synced and ready for operation.